Watering your garden every single day is actually destroying your plants and jacking up your water bill. Most people think summer means giving their plants a light sprinkle every afternoon, but that is the fastest way to kill them. You need to water deeply and way less frequently. When you soak the soil just once or twice a week, the roots are forced to grow deeper into the ground to find moisture. This makes your plants tough enough to survive those massive heat waves. Timing is everything. You have to water in the early morning, ideally between 6 and 10. If you do it in the middle of the day, the sun just evaporates it all. If you do it at night, your plants sit in dampness and get fungal diseases. Morning is the only sweet spot. Stop treating all your plants the same. Group the ones that love water together and put the drought-tolerant ones in their own section. This saves you so much time and stops you from accidentally drowning the plants that like it dry. If you are not using mulch, you are working way too hard. Throwing down a thick layer of wood chips or straw acts like a giant cooler for your soil. It locks the moisture in, keeps the roots cool, and literally chokes out the weeds that are trying to steal your water. Speaking of weeds, pull them. They are drinking the water you are paying for. Ditch the overhead sprinkler. Get a soaker hose or a drip irrigation system. It puts the water right at the base of the plant where it actually matters, instead of spraying the leaves. And if you want to cheat the system, put a barrel under your gutter downspout. Rainwater is totally free, way softer, and does not have the harsh chemicals that tap water has. Stop guessing if your soil is dry by just looking at the surface. Stick your finger an inch into the dirt. If it feels dry, soak it. If not, walk away. Master this, and your garden will outlive the summer heat, while everyone else is left with crispy brown leaves.